What's going on, guys? This is Paul from BearcatWarehouse.com. Today I've got a quick tutorial video for you on turning off the service searches and turning off the custom searches. Get a lot of calls on this and people having the FM radio turned on, stuff like that. This will help you turn that stuff off so you can get back to normal scanning. Alright, for step one, we're going to hit the menu button. Then the next step, we're going to go down to where it says search for. We're going to press down on the knob. We're going to take it down to edit service. I'm going to press down on the knob. And then there's a whole bunch of these in here. So if you have like a few of them turned on or you're not sure, I recommend doing this process over so that way you can turn all the services off. So what we do is we press down on the knob for public safety. We're going to take the knob, dial it down to where it says search with scan. Press down on the knob. Then we're going to take the knob, dial it down to where it says set lockout, and then we're going to press down on lockout. That's going to bring us back to one menu, so search or scan. We press menu again to take us back, then we press menu again to take us back to the edit service. So I'll show you again. So we'll go down to news, press down on the knob, dial down to where it says set lock or search or scan. Then we go down to lockout, and then you press down on lockout. All right, and that's how you lock out the service searches. So now we're going to go down to where it says edit custom. So these are for the custom searches. So if you see where it says custom and then it's like scanning through all the numbers like a search, this is how you turn those off. So you go to edit custom. We're going to start on custom 1. Press down, dial it down to search with scan, like we saw before. We're going to dial down again, press down on set lockout, and then lockout. All right, I'll show you one more time. So menu, we'll go down to custom 2, press down on that, dial down to where it says search or scan, dial down to set lockout, and then lockout. Alright, when you're done here, you can hit the scan button. That'll take you back to scanning. And then you're all set. You should go back to normal scanning. So there's a lot of times where you might accidentally hit a button or something like that. This is going to help you remove those custom searches out of there. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.